The Top Score Writing curriculum provides teachers with everything they need and more to teach writing throughout the entire school year. We offer curriculum for grades 2nd through 12th. Each curriculum kit comes with 3 to 4 books. In this 4th grade kit, you can see that sections 1 and 2 are in book 1, sections 3 and 4 are in book 2, section 5 is book 3, and the 4th book in this kit is the Book of Passages. Every curriculum kit comes with its own book of passages that includes passages written for that specific grade level. The passages come in text sets of 2 to 4 passages. For each text set, there is a writing prompt, and for grades 4th through 12th, there is a basic prompt and an advanced prompt written for each text set. Each set is certified and Lexile by Metametrics. That way you know that the passages you are using with your students are on grade level. You can see that the paragraphs used in each passage set are numbered consecutively. Students will use these for referencing and citing their sources. The passages were designed with a variety in mind. Some passages have titles, while others may just list the source number. Some passages are long, some are short, some have text features, some don't. That way students are prepared for whatever type of text is put in front of them. Every curriculum kit includes its own book of passages that are written specifically for that grade level. In each curriculum kit, there are between 80 and 112 lessons. These lessons are designed to be done in a 30 to 45-minute writing block and completed 3 to 5 times per week. In this lesson, you can see that the passages that are going to be used in the lesson are listed at the top of the page in a box. That way teachers know what passages are going to be used in each lesson. Once teachers know what passages are going to be used, they can go into the passage book to prepare copies for the class. The lessons are written like a script. That way teachers know exactly what to say and do as they're teaching the lesson. Some teachers like to follow word for word, while others like to make it their own. The lessons all have a modeling piece, a guided piece, and an independent practice piece, and examples that are already completed that teachers can use when teaching the lesson. Color coding is a huge part of the Top Score Writing curriculum. We believe color coding makes a huge difference when teachers are teaching because students can see the different parts of the paragraph, and that way it makes more sense and they understand how to put it all together. Behind each lesson are the activities that go with each lesson. Our activities include guided practice, independent practice, homework, quizzes, and tests. Top Score Writing is a simple and effective approach to teaching writing. Our curriculum kits provide teachers with everything they need to teach writing. All of our lessons have been aligned to the state standards and teach all of the skills on the state testing writing rubric.